For the Capstone project, we were asked to develop 3 questions in Python, and these are my 3 questions. I'm going to explain them in this video. What is the best-selling product in the city of Dover, and to what subcategory do they belong? First, I started with the group by function and to select the region, and my region was East, then to select the city, which was Dover. After that, I had to find the best-selling product, so that was by sales and by the function of max. After that, with the use of queries, which is all of these, I specified the subcategory and the product name. So the answer to the question by running the program this is from number 3. It throws product name Logitech Lenovo Edge keyboard, and the subcategory was accessories. So that's the answer to what is the best-selling product in the city of Dover and to what category do they belong. So following this question, I made another program to develop a sub question to get a graph. So this is the graph the best-selling and the worst-selling product. For this, I did the same steps as a max, but to minimum sales. And with the use of a query, I used this. This didn't really matter at the end because, only to find out what was the product. And then I used those data to create a plot bar, which shows like this. Which obviously you can see that there's a very big difference. There's like maybe 1, 14, I don't know. This is a very little number of new will, which is the worst selling product, and the best selling product, which is over 2,000. The second question that I made was from the category of furniture. Which is the most profitable product in Delaware, and to who does it belong? So I developed this question again as specifying the most I could. This time I required 3 group bys for region, for the state of Delaware, and then for the category of furniture, which is in this part of the question. And then I had to find the maximum profit from that category of furniture. And then with the use of queries, I found I could develop the answer to be the product name and the customer name, which develops to who does it belong. So running the program, again, it's gonna show the graph of the question number 3. And we can see here in the shell question number 2. So the answer to from the category of furniture, which is the most profitable product in Delaware and to who does it belong, is the Office Star Contemporary Swivel Chair with, I don't know what it says, and it belongs to Ivan Liston. So now third and last question is between New York and Philadelphia, which is the highest shipping cost and when was it shipped? So for this question, I again get the region of East, which applies to all the questions because that is like the first specific instruction. Then I got the next and last question is between New York and Philadelphia, what is the highest shipping cost and when was it shipped? This is looking to compare the shipping cost between these 2 states. So first, I obviously got the region from East, and these 2 states are from the East, so it is in the data frame. And first I focused in New York to get the data using the group by city and the New York. Then I got the maximum shipping cost. And with that, I made the use of queries again to specify after that what is the shipping cost and the shipping date. So it appears here in the question number 3, shipping cost, ship date. For New York, it was this result. And then afterwards, I focused on Philly using the same format, giving the city, then Philadelphia, then the maximum shipping cost of this data frame of Philly. And with the use of queries, again, specifying the shipping cost and shipping date, so it appears in the shell. Now this is Philly's results. And lastly, I just put the print to make it obvious that the highest shipping cost is in New York City, which is the first one. And then I used this information to make the plot for shipping costs. And over here, I put states, which is New York and Philadelphia, then the maximum shipping cost for both, then just the specifiers of the table, and it looks like this. So the shipping cost in New York, this is like visually, it's obviously higher than Philadelphia, which is in the 400s, and this is in the 700s. Thank you. This is my evidence.